3 content creators remain, all armed with Adobe's newest tools and ready to push their imagination to the limit.
I'm super confident, so
Okay.
whatever you want.
We need to own this now.
But only one can earn a spot in the finale.
We need to move this crowd. We need to shout this out loud.
I'm sorry.
Welcome to the Great Big Giant Max Creator Challenge.
Welcome back, intrepid, imaginative explorers. It is Adobe Max 2025, and it's day 3 in Los Angeles, California, at the aptly named LA Convention Center. We're gonna meet our last set of creators, but first, I'm David Suh, your host extraordinaire. I'm a photographer and content creator, joined and supported by today's lovely panel of judges, Chase Brown, Josh Aiken, and Brooke Monk. Guys, how are we doing?
Doing good. Great. It's lively in here.
It is. It's
I'm
a different
excited.
day.
Are we ready to judge?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm going to be still judgy, but not as judgy.
We ready to see today's creators?
Yeah,
Absolutely.
very
I'm
excited.
excited to see you
Meet up.
out there.
Let's do it.
Sitting in the green room was actually very beneficial because I got to test out and see what their weaknesses and strengths were.
We're going up against each other.
Going up against each other.
I know we're all having, it's all fun.
It's all
here.
about fun. It's all about fun. You guys are going down.
Attention please. Only one spot remains in the finale. Costas, Shelly, Champagne, please enter the Adobe Arena.
My name's Costas Garcia. I'm a content creator from Los Angeles, California. You can go ahead and Control-Alt-Delete the competition, because I'm here to win.
Hello everyone, I'm Shelly, also known as Letters by Shells. I'm here to render the competition useless.
Hi, my name is Champagne, and I am a content creator based out of LA. I'm gonna beat the out of these mothers. What? No.
Creators, first you'll face a quick challenge, followed by the main event.
It feels so exciting to be a part of the Great Big Max Creator Challenge. I love meeting all the new creatives and just hearing how they use Adobe.
I love being competitive. I love using Adobe, and the fact that I get to compete against 8 other creatives, putting these Adobe products to the test, it's so much fun. But my competitive side is coming out, and I'm here to win.
And now is the time for one of you to secure the final spot in the finale.
Oh, wow.
Let's spin the wheel.
What do we got?
It's gonna be.
It's fill in the blank.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever that means.
Today's blank will be filling in what's behind the window of the photo. You'll have 2 minutes to use Nano Banana using the prompt we give you to complete the scene in a bold, creative way.
My favorite part of this whole experience has probably been being able to connect with all these other creatives. That's one, but also being able to see the new stuff that Adobe is rolling out.
They all have unique prompts, I believe, they find through their computer, yes?
But the theory is with Nano Banana, you should be able to achieve that in 2 minutes.
Absolutely. You'll have multiple layers instead of one, thing you have to work with and are stuck with. You can kind of adjust and, bring out the subject a little bit and make it seem seamless.
You guys said that you think you can do this within 2 minutes.
Well, you got to get creative, I feel like, one time, because 2 minutes is not a lot of time to re-give it multiple prompts.
Well, it looks like they're ready to go. Let's send it back to the stage.
Creators, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, I'm ready.
Yes.
I am ready.
So ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, what do we got? Underwater field day, whatever the heck that means. Walking up into my first challenge, I wasn't that nervous, and then I got the prompt that I was supposed to make an underwater field day and change the window.
Medieval block party.
My task was to create like this medieval block party.
Okay, galactic tea party. I decided, there's gonna be some kittens in space. Yeah, I shoot content at home with my cat. Galactic tea party, maybe the cats are pink. I thought maybe adding a beautiful pink kind of galactic landscape in the distance that the cats are peering out at as they have their tea. I'm here to make my cat proud.
Okay, what do we got here? Let's see what I can do.
Is this supposed to fill in the window? Am I doing something wrong?
Here's how Nano Banana works. You have an image, and then you can circle it with the lasso, and then you can just completely change that image. Okay, I'm going to select the, we gotta go fast, lasso tool. You can literally do anything you want and bring any vision you have to life with Nano Banana.
So you can keep adding.
You might only be able to add 2 things in 2 minutes.
So it's really about your creativity.
Right.
Galactic tea party put on by alien cats who are
crowning their new princess.
Oh, this feels like a winning prompt.
There we go.
I just kept tweaking like the prompt and just adding in like more animals, like more balloons.
Final edits, please.
Load up, load up. What do we got? Oh, okay, that's kind of nice. Oh my God, 5 seconds. I'm adding a mermaid in the back. Come on.
I'm excited to see yours.
Oh, yours looks kind of good, not gonna lie.
I have 2 pink cats sitting down having tea, looking out on a beautiful pink galactic landscape, and I got a flying kitten in the sky. I think I'm gonna win.
I wish I had a little bit more time, but I'm so far happy with the overall product. I feel like it came out really, really fun.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
That's impressive.
This is a party.
That's impressive.
Felt a little rushed. Feel like the mermaid could have been a little bit better, but for the limited amount of time that we had, I think it turned out pretty good.
They impressed in that short amount of time, I will say.
Absolutely.
Not bad.
Especially what Shelly has going on.
I liked hers because it had some sort of like story behind it.
Can't lie to you about your man's Costas.
I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. It is difficult to make it look like you're kind of like underwater, like, you know, playing with textures, and the glass probably looks different.
I will say it didn't look fake.
Yeah, exactly. But Shelly's, my opinion, probably the best.
Well, do we feel good about who we're picking?
Yes.
I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's head back to stage and let's let them know who won this round.
And the winner of Fill in the Blank is Shelly.
No!
I won, and I was really shocked because I thought everyone else did an amazing job.
Oh my God!
I was super confident about what I came up with. Honestly, I think the judges must have been dog people.
Shelly, you have earned an advantage for your next challenge.
All right, before we go to the main challenge, I've been walking around the creative park and heard that Illustrator is also getting its own zhuzh with turntable 3D vector remixes. You guys want to check it out?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Check that out, where the 2D image into, whoa!
That's insane.
That's nice.
This is such cool stuff, but speaking of cool, I think they're ready to play the next game. Let's bring it back to the stage.
Creators, it's time to play anywhere, anytime.
I'm just getting warmed up. This is just the beginning, okay? I got this.
Oh, she's
love
got
her.
very chill energy. Yeah.
You'll be given photos of each other, along with backgrounds in various lighting. Using Photoshop Harmonize, you must seamlessly blend the images to create a bold and polished movie poster as your final output.
I know that we have to create this like fun movie poster using the Harmonize feature. It's like a one-click, super simple. So I'm not too worried about this whole next challenge.
And Shelly, since you won Fill in the Blank, you have the advantage of choosing to use the mobile app, the desktop app, or working via the web.
No, give yourself the advantage. That's what you need to do in this competition.
What are you leaning towards?
I choose web. I like the web because I've used it before, I have experience with it, so let's give it a try.
Desktop or mobile?
What are you thinking?
I'm kind of leaning towards mobile because I'm a little bit more used to working on my phone.
Fair.
But
That's what I would choose
I
too.
would have chose that.
what about you?
I'm super confident, so
Okay.
whatever you want.
Someone's feeling a little bit
It's very
of
spicy
pressure.
over
Better
there.
win because he's
Spicy?
cocky right now.
Well then, I'm gonna go mobile
Doesn't
if you
matter
don't
to
care.
me.
I'm going mobile.
All right, I wouldn't have gotten mobile if I was you, but
Creators, since Harmonize is so easy to use anywhere, we thought we'd add a little friction to prove just that. Shelly, you have the inviting hammock, where you'll be working from the web.
Oh,
What?
Can you imagine?
I actually still would.
Okay.
I feel like I would pick the web now.
I chose web because it's very straightforward. I've used it before. That was before I realized I was going to be on a hammock.
Champagne, you're going mobile on the treadmill.
Woohoo! Nice.
There you go, bro.
That probably.
Yeah,
that-
I'd still pick
marathon
that. I'd still
training.
pick that.
And Costas, you're on the desktop app to enjoy the ups and downs of the edit.
now that's crazy.
What is going on?
Yeah,
that's the worst.
I definitely would not.
well, I have a standing desk at home, so this should be just like I'm editing in my office.
We'll see how
crazy.
well that confidence turned out. A little
Yeah.
spiciness, but
I'm rooting for him. We'll see.
Are you ready to harmonize?
Harmonize is
so
so
simple.
easy
Yeah,
that
yeah. And
I
it's
still
important.
think it can work. Yeah.
I mean, every photo, the most important part of it, in my opinion, is the light.
You've actually got really beautiful light on you.
Thank you. I'm being harmonized right here in this chair.
Glowing.
Yeah.
I think they're ready to get to editing, so let's send it back.
Begin in 3, 2, 1, go!
We've all dealt with tight deadlines, okay? But normally it's like a 24-hour, 48-hour turnaround thing. I had, 5 minutes to make this? So I was feeling a little bit pressure, I'm not gonna lie.
Kostas, good luck to him because I would not have been wanting to be in that position.
Little bit harder than the standing desk I have at home. It's all good.
Look at him.
Like this.
It was a little bit difficult because I was getting a lot of distractions from my left and my right, but the harmonize worked really seamlessly, even though I was not really keeping pace with the treadmill very well.
Champagne on mobile, she's like, look at her, she's strutting.
So I'm having a hard time bringing people in, but
Okay. Dude, this is just so
let's see if I
difficult.
could do this way.
It was much harder for me to figure out like where things belong.
The
It's
hammock
really
is
moving.
swinging too.
It is, you're right.
I mean, I'm feeling pretty good.
Oh, okay.
I am getting
That
so
went
sweaty and
pretty
hot.
well.
I'm trying not to think about it though, but
Question,
I'm feeling pretty good.
I looked to my left and Shelly's just fumbling with the hammock.
It is a lot more interesting than I thought.
Oh, that would make me sick.
And Kostas is like, I don't even know. He's up, he's down, he's left, he's right.
Lost the mouse.
Whoa.
Uh-oh, might have broke the mouse.
But I am solid right there with my mobile phone.
Okay, so yes, being in the hammock is a lot more challenging. I thought it was going to be easy because I can stabilize myself, but
They're not making it easy on me. Oh my God, this is difficult.
It's time to make your final edit.
Oh. Let's do it. 55.
My thumbs are not listening.
Oh my God.
Time's up. Export your images.
So I don't know if you guys can see over there, but I decided to add all of us in there. I really wanted to get all the creators in there, and I chose the stage because I thought it'd be fun to make us like band members.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Now he wants to be sweet.
so I decided to dedicate my poster to Champagne and like a cat's world. And I mean, using the harmonize feature was really easy and simple, even though being on the hammock, since it was like a one-click situation. I can't say that I'm like so amazed by it, so I'm so sorry, but I did my best that I could.
Aw, she is very sweet.
She is great.
I went for a horror-themed movie poster.
Oh, wow.
I put Pony in there. She had a really cute vampire costume that I shot her in the other day, so I put that in there. I put Kostas at the bottom, you know, just so you could see how big she is.
Which is
Oh, wait,
okay.
wait,
Oh,
wait.
there's
She
Kostas.
is...
And then I also added some horror-themed text, so I just clicked the horror genre, and then it gave me all these horror options, and it was super easy to find one. And the harmonize just made it look so perfect. It's as if I shot Pony on a stage.
I don't know. This is interesting. What do you guys think?
I guess they were all given all 3 photos.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they had to use them exactly. I don't know. Kostas seemed like it was very just obvious. You know, you just threw him on stage. I don't know. I didn't love it. What did you guys think of Shelly's?
I think that she did. I like the beachy theme. It's like
Yeah.
kind of like sunny out there. I thought it was great, honestly. I like the color that was involved.
Right.
But also Champagne was super consistent. The entire theme was there.
Yeah.
Well, should we let them know who won this round?
Yeah.
I think we should.
I think we know.
And today's winner, earning their spot in the finale, is Champagne.
Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh, wow.
She had it so easy.
Come on now. I am here to win the competition. I'm gonna rock this.
Congrats.
Thank you. She absolutely crushed it.
She did.
What do you guys think? I thought that
I
that
think
was incredible.
She's gonna do well in the finale.
Well, we are on to the finale, the climactic champion reveal of the Great Big Giant Max Creator Challenge, and more news from Adobe Max 2025. We will see you tomorrow.
Very exciting
Bye,
stuff.
guys.
Take care.